My name is Agustina Rodriguez. The name of my piece is called Color Field, and the piece was commissioned by the City of Austin, Art in Public Places for the Tempo 2018 Temporary Art Installations. I wanted the piece to really make a big impact, and so I was searching a lot for like a unit that I could use that's repeatable, that was affordable, and that's how I kind of came across the driveway markers. The process was pretty straightforward. It was just sweat labor, pretty much. We kind of all view this park as an extension of our backyard. And there's a huge cross-section of people, all kinds of people that utilize the park, and I just really wanted to capture that cultural bounty, if you will, with a piece that kind of symbolized bounty. I work as an architect and I do a lot of large-scale projects, but this is the first time I've ever been awarded a commission for art in public places, and so to have the opportunity to do something like this in my favorite park is pretty amazing.